Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my green fairy quilts order in, and you know what, you guys, Lori Holt is by far my favorite designer. She is so amazing that I wish I could afford every single, I don't care for kits, okay? I like picking my own colors. I love doing all that stuff. But these box kits that she has, I wish she just sold the box, because I would be all over that. I love the boxes, and it's not like I have room for all these boxes, but darn it, I just, okay, so when she did a interview, I can't remember who she did it with. She did it with a YouTuber, and she was talking about how this box kit, that Ash is in here, my bulldog, so he's being an obscene phone caller from the 80s. She announced that this had a defect in it, and I guess when they printed out the templates, it was small instead of larger. Okay, don't quote me on any of this, okay? You do the research and you figure it out as far as which one is which, because my memory is poopy and I just don't, you know, what I think may be right may not be completely right. And it, you know, it's like, you know, that whole game when, you know, oh, he is so cute, and then you go down the line and next thing you know, like, oh, he has stinky underwear, you know, by the time you get to the last person. So that's kind of like how sometimes I feel like I talk, you know. And but she was talking about how she's all, this is probably going to be a little bit more of a rare, oh, it's the hen house, more of a rare deal. And you basically get 2 kits in this one. And okay, so let's see if what I'm saying is right. This is called the hen house, and you get to do the chickens. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this. I love the box. So okay, so it says, these larger So Simple shapes are the correct size for the Lori Holt Farmer's Daughter, the Hen House Quilt Kit. As a bonus, Lori Holt has created a pattern called the Happy Hen Block to use the smaller So Simple shapes that are included in the kit box. You can find this free pattern on our website. So that only happened here. And then the smaller So Simple shapes will not be sold separately as of right now, from what she said. So, but this is the right size. So this is the correct one, and this is the hen. So I want to see, so that you get the whole kit and caboodle. And I like I said, I usually don't get kits, but because she was talking about how, like, this is going to be one of the rare ones that you get 2 templates, I was like, oh, all right, I really want the 2 templates. So, and Green Fairy Quilts is so amazing, you guys. So they are really, really amazing company, and they always have sales and stuff. So this is the smaller one. So let's see together what they're talking about. So this is the one that came in the kit. Okay, so can you guys see that? Let me see if I can. Is there a? Oh, you know what I have? I have this. I just showed. Let's see. Okay, yeah. You can kind of see it here. I think there's a pink one too. Here, let me close it. So this is the shape of it, okay? So let's open the one that it is supposed to be. This is the mistake. And to me, right off the bat, it looks like a major mistake, because hello, that is a baby chick. And then look at the size difference, you guys. Let me see if I can. Let me see. Ando, can you move, please? Okay. Let me do it this way, you guys. Ando. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. So, let's see if it corrects itself. It doesn't like it. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this is the correct size. This is the wrong size. Now that is really wrong. That is a baby chick. So, oh my goodness gracious. That's funny. And let me see. So yeah, that's the correct size. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that's crazy. but I really wanted to have the mistakes. And I really want to do this quilt. And I love the box. So basically I paid for the box and for the simple shapes. But I don't actually have Farmer's Daughter. I didn't get any of this. I don't think I did. Oh my gosh, did I? I don't think I did, because usually I like getting jelly rolls, but I don't really honestly think I did. So I got 2 layer cakes in this kit. And I believe Green Fairy Quilt still has all the whole kit. And their kits are the most cheapest that you can, I know that was really weird English there, but their kits are really cheap, you guys. Even cheaper than Fat Quarter Shop. They're just cheaper, and it's just so nice not to pay out of the wazoo for some of these kits. So I highly suggest, when sign up for, they don't know me, I don't know them. I think they're just a husband and wife with their kids helping them, but they always ship you your stuff. You're never going to be hosed. You just won't be. They will send you your stuff. And just remember that they take a couple weeks to get to you. They don't always, ship right away, because they have, I'm sure, a ton of orders every day. They're number one. They really are. They're the cheapest prices you can get. I mean, I get my jelly rolls for $26. That is just crazy. Where when Fat Quarter Shop has theirs on sale, it's usually like $36, $32. So yeah, it's just amazing. Of course, Fat Quarter Shop has big time overhead. So that, it is what it is, and that's okay. Business is a business. But I recommend Green Fairy Quilts for all your pre-cuts and all your kits that you want. I highly recommend them, because you just can't beat their prices. You really can't. And it's great. So that is going to be the whole kit. Oh my gosh, that is so darling. Are those eggs? Those are total eggs. OMG. So cute. So cute. Okay. And they just store so nicely. I think it was like this, right? It's just so cute. I just love it. I love it. Yeah. So that's the box, you guys. OMG. Okay, you guys. You need to find the interview that she did with, it was some YouTuber, but search Lori Holt and search Denim and Daisy, I believe is her next line coming out at the end of the year. Check out that video, and because she shows you what is coming soon. And what's coming soon, you guys, is another box, but I believe it is an oven. I was like, yes, I am going to be getting that oven, because holy crud, it is so adorable. I mean, it's so cute. So you guys find that one, because, and then tell me if you did find it, what you think. Like, I'm going to get that kit. Yeah, it's amazing. So this box really spoke to me. The free simple shape really spoke to me. Yeah, my mom loves chickens. She has a motif of chickens, so this quilt will be for her when I make it. So yeah, and she's gonna love it. I'm gonna keep the box, and I'll give her the quilt. So, all right, guys, what do you think? Yes. Oh gosh, you guys, I love it so much. Love Lori Holt. Very creative lady. Very. I mean, I would love to go visit her house, just to see inside her house, and every single cross stitch, every single crochet, every single quilt. Just, whew. So amazing. All right, guys, you take care. We'll see you all later. Bye.